How to use Chrome's hidden Send tab to Self feature. A new Send tab to Self feature in Google Chrome lets you quickly send tabs between all your Chrome devices. This feature, available via a hidden flag in Google Chrome, is available in the stable version of Chrome today. Sure, you can access open tabs on other devices via the history page without any hidden flags if you use Chrome Sync, but this new feature is slicker and faster. Once you've enabled it, you'll find a new Send to your devices option when you right-click on a web page. It'll list all the Chrome browsers you're signed into with your Google account on Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and even iPhone and iPad. Select a device to send a Chrome tab to that device. Remember Google's old Chrome to Phone browser extension, which let you send tabs from the Chrome browser on your computer to your Android phone? It's kind of like that, but you can send tabs between your computers. 2. Like all flags, this is a work in progress feature. It may change or be removed at any time. Google may soon launch this as a stable feature that doesn't require a flag. However, it's available now in the stable version of Google Chrome 76. This option is available as a flag. To find it, plug CHROME://flags into Chrome's address bar and press enter. Search for Send tab in the search box. You will see several different options. You must at least enable the Send tab to Self and Send tab to Self show sending UI options. Click the boxes to the right of each and select Enabled. You may also want to enable Send tab to Self History to see send tabs in your history page and Send tab to Self Broadcast, which lets you broadcast a tab to all devices instead of sending it to an individual one. The broadcast flag didn't appear to work when we tested it. Finally, if you want to use this feature without enabling Chrome Sync, enable the Send tab to Self, enable use when signed in regardless of sync state option. Repeat this process on all the Chrome browsers you use on different devices. If you only enable Send tab to Self on a single device, you can't send tabs to any other devices. Note that Chrome for iPhone and iPad doesn't have flags, but it can still receive send tabs. After enabling the flags and restarting your web browser, you'll have access to the feature in two places. You can right-click a web page to see the Send to your devices menu and click one of the devices to send the tab to it. The same option is available on the Omnibox, also known as the address bar. Click once in the bar, and you'll see it Send this page icon at the right side of the bar. To the left of the bookmark star icon, click it, and you'll see a list of devices along with when they were last active. A notification will appear on the other device. 2. Click or tap the notification to immediately open the Send tab in Chrome. It will work differently on some platforms. For example, on iPhone, you won't receive a notification, but you will see a tab received notice at the bottom of Chrome's new tab page. Tap Open to open the tab you sent. If you don't see one of your devices in the list here, ensure it's running the latest version of Google Chrome with these flags enabled, and that you're signed into your same Google account on all your devices. Other features are available via Chrome flags. 2. For example, Google Chrome has a hidden reader mode that works just like the reading modes available in Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Edge. Text source, howtogeek.com.